How to fix Messenger not showing active friends. So in this video, I'll show you step by step. If you are having problem, you can't see how many of your friends are online on your Facebook Messenger, this video is for you. So the step one to fix this problem is now open up your Play Store or App Store. So make sure to update your Messenger app. Go and search for Messenger on App Store or Play Store and update. After you finish updating, now go and open up your Messenger app like this now. So after you open the Messenger app like this now, all you have to do now, tap on this menu at the bottom. After you come to this menu, so now go to the settings. So from the settings, scroll to down, go to this active status. Under the active status, now make sure you turn on this option now. It says show when you are active. So tap on this option now. So now go back, go back. So now tap on this chat button. So now you can refresh your messenger like this. So from there you should be able to see all your friends as casino that are online. Each of your friends that has this green icon under his profile means that this person is online. That's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys.